Hello, my name is Robert Flores. I'm a physical therapist here at VibraLife. We are here to see patients that have orthopedic conditions such as total hips, total knee replacements, total shoulders, laminectomies, fractures, and amputations. We here at VibraLife work on increasing their mobility skills within the proper precautions so as to reduce the falls risk. We also assess the patients for orthopedics or orthotics, prosthetics, and also durable medical equipment such as walkers, canes, or wheelchairs. We assess the patients to reduce their falls and maximize their mobility skills as recommended by the orthopedic doctor based on the wet brain status. We look forward to hiring these patients and help them to be independent as much as possible. Thank you.